Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you actually started to go to connect a text to vector. What we're gonna convert text it to vector. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to go through every single thing that is really to be satisfied with this progress. That is really to be very good and important to do it through every moment that you want actually about every single progress that we would actually throw it, as you can understand that is possible. About to go for adding text, as you can see. Then we can start to go with this kind of the regular thing. About to go with 20. Then as you can see, we can start to go and add this ticket, as you can see. Then as you can understand, right click and then start to add a vector. And then start to add vector. So maybe it doesn't adding as a vector. About to control shift O. This will be about be really satisfying with his progress, as you can see. About to add this